this video, I will show you how to view your enrollment window and register for classes in Buff Portal. First, you will need to navigate to your registration checklist card, which is in Classes and Registration. Just below the header of this card, you will select the term for which you are trying to register. Let's select Fall 2020. When you switch the term, you will notice the enrollment window. The enrollment window is different for each term, so make sure you're selected the correct term. From here, you can follow all the steps to complete your registration. When you have completed a step, you can check it off. To see all the completed steps, select Show Completed. After you create a card with all the classes, you will need to come back to this list and select Enroll to finish your registration. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to see more tips on using Buff Portal, you can find them in the Help section of Buff Portal.